How to turn on or turn off read colors name allowed on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on phone app. Now here click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in call settings, scroll down and click on answering and ending calls. So after click on answering and ending calls, so you will see read color name allowed is here. So if you want to turn off read color name allowed, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see read color name allowed is turn off. So if you want to turn on read color name allowed, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see read color name allowed is enabled. So you will turn on or turn off read color name allowed from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can and turn on or turn off read color name allowed on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.